Okay, area of the region x comma y, xy less than or equal to 1 by 8, 1 less than or equal to y less than or equal to x square. So this is what xy less than or equal to 8 looks like. A slightly different version of y equal to 1 by x is y equal to 8 by x, just varying by a scaling factor. Okay. Also it's y is greater than or equal to 1, so we only need to focus on the positive, like it's above this part that we're interested in. So I'll redraw that again. We're only interested in the positive part. Okay, so this is y equal to 1, there's y equal to 8 by x, and let's see where it meets y equal to 1. So y equal to 1, x equal to 8, so it's here somewhere, goes like this. Now we have y equal to x square. That will be a parabola opening towards the right, and we are interested in the top half of that. And let's see where it meets the y equal to 8 by x curve. This gives us x equal to 2. So at x equal to 2, it meets this curve, the 8 by x curve. Also it meets y equal to 1 at x equal to 1. Okay, so we want the area of the region between this. So this is the area we're looking for. So this can be done by integration, and we'll split this into 2. Okay, so integrating this function will give us the area, the total area, means including, it gives even this area, but we don't want this area. But since it's a rectangle, we can easily subtract out. Same goes with this side. Alright, so our answer will be, so this is 7 times 1, minus 7 we have to subtract, and the total integral is integral from 1 to 2. This function is y equal to x square, so x square dx, plus integrating from 2 to 8, that is y equal to 8 by x dx. Now this is x cubed by 3, and at putting the limits, we get 8 minus 1 by 3. This one, if you integrate, it's 8 into natural log of x. Putting values of 8 and 2, you get 8 ln 8, which is ln 8 is 3 times ln 2, so that is 24 ln 2 minus 8 ln 2 minus 7. So this, let's see what we get as final answer. It's 7 by 3 plus 16 ln 2 minus 7. So 7 by 3 minus 7 is minus 14 by 3. So our final answer is 16 ln 2 minus 14 by 3. Okay, this one.